Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Today we're going to be installing the Avi-on Fixture Adapter. The Fixture Adapter is designed to be used with drivers that dim to off. There's no relay or anything else built into this, so it must be used with dim to off drivers. There's multiple wires coming out of this Fixture Adapter. First is the antenna. Leave that alone, don't cut that one. Next are the dimming wires, and then the power wires. Now you can use the power supply that we provide, which is a step-down transformer that steps it down to 12 volts. Or if your LED driver is capable of this, you can use the 12-volt auxiliary output of the LED driver to power this fixture adapter. Now to save some time, I've already removed the screws from this fixture. Inside this fixture is pretty standard. You got the 0 to 10 volt dimming, and you have the power coming in. I've already been inside this fixture, so all I did was just cut these wires to get power. So I just need to power up this step-down transformer I have. So I connect the neutrals, and I go ahead and connect the hots. Now I have power to my step-down transformer. The other wires I need to connect are the dimming wires. So I connect the purple to purple, and then the gray to gray. Now there's plenty of room in this fixture. Just going to tuck these wires down in here. Plenty of room in this fixture. Now the antenna, I want to mention this. The antenna with this type of outdoor enclosure, we need to get this antenna, or it'd be beneficial to get this antenna out of this fixture. So you can either drill a small hole in this one and do a daub of silicone or some type of grommet, or we do sell an external antenna that you can put on this type of a model. Now I'm not going to bother putting this back together. I'm going to go ahead and power it up. And the light comes on. Now it's pretty bright. I already have this programmed, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to 25%. Hit this down a few more times, get this down to 10%. And after you button this up, that's how easy it is to install the Avi-on Fixture Adapter.